See here, when we run a flow, this is new harness. Once you complete the new harness, so it went to first assignment and the assignment has been created. So if you want to go to see this, you can go to clipboard. When you go to clipboard, the assignment details will be available on clipboard on a page called new assign page. This is new assign page. So new assign page will have the details about complete details about the assignment, which will refer to either the class assign dash work list or assign dash work basket. The assignment details will get stored in the backend table. Which table is that? It is
PC underscore
either
assign.
PC underscore assign underscore work list or PC underscore assign underscore work basket. Either of these tables will have the details about assignment. This is basic details about assignment. So what is the purpose of assignment shape? What is the purpose of assignment shape? Now you tell me what you were telling previously. The primary purpose of assignment is to call the flow action by using its outward connector in the case of process flow, by using assignment shape itself in case of screen flows. Apart from it, assignment shape can be used in process. Assignment shape can be used in order to perform routing. This is also one mandatory. So assignment shape can be used to perform routing. I think this is what we were discussing, right? So now what do you mean by routing? Generally, what do you mean by routing? Assignment shape can be used to perform routing. Exactly what do you mean by routing? So in your business application, let's talk about leave request application. Let's talk about leave request application. So in a typical leave request application, let's say if it is a workflow design, it will have a start shape and then it will have assignment 1 in order to fill the leave request form. And next assignment, second assignment will be there in order to provide the approval, either approve or reject. So this is a typical leave request process and finally handshake. Now, whoever is going to execute the workflow, for them, the leave request first assignment should be available. That means if you are the one, you want leave request, you execute the leave request flow, the first assignment of leave request should be available to you. Means route to current operator, it will be available with you. And when you go to next assignment in the approval, which is route to not current operator, it should be route to another operator who is current operators manager operator ID dot py report to. Is this true? This one did we discuss? Py operators current operators manager operator ID will be available on operator ID page assigned to an OOTP property py report to. Now this dynamically identifies who is your manager, reporting manager. To them, the assignment will be routed. When the assignment is routed to them, they should be able to work on either approval or reject. Already cheppa document lo ichcha. Okay. So this is what routing means. Routing means you're going to transfer a task. Task means assignment to any of the operator, or it can be a work queue or work basket. We will talk about the other one later. We'll discuss about operator and work transferring an assignment to only one operator. Okay. Let me tell you basics of transferring an assignment to one operator, how it works. Let me go to view properties of this assignment and here route to operator. Let me route it to manager MaxB MNGR1. I'm routing it to MaxB MNGR1. I have chosen. This is where you choose the routing option. I'll give on all the screenshots later. Suppose if I run this flow now, can I see the assignment 1? I cannot see. If I run the flow, assignment 1, customer details, it is a new harness. Previously we have seen customer details is displayed to me. Now is that customer details displayed to me? It has been routed. It has been routed. Now when manager login, now suppose when manager MaxB manager is going to log in as part of his regular work proceedings, MaxB MNGR1 password is the password what we have taken. Okay, when you log in here, and now this manager should have access to the task which has been assigned to him. Now if you go ahead here, 2018 11.8.3. That is the case. So when they log in, when any operator log in, if they want to see the work that is assigned to them, they have to go to my work in the left panel. So when they go to my work, here they can see the tasks which are assigned to them. So this portion is going to hold all the assignments that are assigned to this operator. This screen, when you go to my work, you will see all the assignments that are assigned to you. Okay, if he is going to click on the link of third work object, it will open. Once this is completed by him, so he is going to complete it. So in the existing workflow, the next assignment, did I choose any routing option? Next assignment will be routed to whom by default? Current operator. Who is the current operator of next assignment? That is what you need to understand clearly. What do you mean by current operator? Who is the current operator of next assignment? Huh? If the person who initiated the flow, he is the one who created the case. He is not always current operator. What do you mean by current operator? So if I submit this, the next assignment is also available. If it is not, I think it is routed to PY route to, right? I think I have updated the option. Let me go back and change and show you. PY report I have given, right? I will remove that. It is not there. PY report is not there, right? Let me go ahead and run it again and show you. This is the fourth case. Done. Where is it? My work. Case 4. I'm not sure whether I have saved after I have removed it or not. Submit this. Now manager, and the next assignment should be available here, I believe. What is the next assignment there, Asim, first of all? Do you have any flow action for this? Yeah, MaxB auto details is there. It is there actually. Why it is not available? Just give me 1 minute. This is completed actually. This is completed. Leave it. Just come to manager, just hang on. Fourth case is not there. Since it is being routed, how come? Just give me a minute. I'll check it and test it. Okay. So make sure that there is no routing here for the second assignment. Let me check in this. Better you check in always and then do it first. Let me test it once again. Fifth case, right? This should be 5. Case number 5. My work. Fifth case. Sorry. Case 5 only. It should be a sequential number, right? It is available. You need to check in and test it. Now next assignment is available to whom? Current operator. Who had become current operator here? So now from this you tell me who is current operator.
The person to whom the assignment is assigned.
So the operator who has performed the previous assignment will become current operator to next assignment. Suppose you have a flow shape, we have a flow, start shape, assignment 1, assignment 2, 3, 4. 4 assignments, end shape. Assignment 1 is routed to manager 1. Assignment 2 is current operator. Assignment 3 is routed to manager 2. Assignment 4 is current operator. So when the flow is initiated, first assignment will be available to manager 1. Second assignment will be available to whom? Manager 1. Because he is the current operator, means previous assignment who is working on. And third assignment will be available to manager 2. Fourth assignment will be available to manager 2 has become current operator now who has completed the previous assignment. So that is the meaning of current operator. It is not create operator. Create operator is something different. Okay. Now I'll tell you. Assignment 5 assignments are there in a flow. Flow is being initiated by manager 1. Assignment 1 is routed to manager 2. Assignment 3 is, assignment 1 is routed to manager. Okay. Flow is initiated by user. Flow is initiated by user. First assignment routed to manager 1. Second assignment current operator. Third assignment manager 2. Fourth assignment current operator. Fifth assignment create operator. Route to create operator. First one will be available to manager 1. Second one manager 1. Third assignment manager 2. Fourth assignment manager 2 is the current operator. Fifth assignment create operator. Whom it will be available? User. Who has created this user? That user it will be available. That is what create operator. Who initiated the case is the create operator. This is clear. This is basics of functional idea about routing. Everyone clear?
Harsha, one question.